Hello guys, I'm the guy who smokes on TV. In this episode I have some guys that I don't even know and we're going to talk about stuff I don't care about.
Hello, some people call me Edward from Twilight. Well, I hate Twilight. All there are in that stupid movie are moody teenagers.
You mean like you?
Shut up.
Now no need to fight right now. We're on TV. Hi Mom.
Okay, that's all for today. Even though we didn't do much. But tune in next week to see if we actually do something.
I'm not Edward.
Yes you are.
Stop it.
I like cheese.